Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this Apple ID has been not yet reviewed. So when you try to install the free app and there is error pop up, so let me show you that error. So here you go guys, as you can see this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store, so we are going to fix it. So first of all guys, just click on the review button. So as you can see here, cancel and review, we need to click on the review. So guys, now just select your country and tap on agree to terms and conditions, then just tap on next. Now guys, tap on none button, then just enter your street address. You can enter anything, it doesn't matter. Now enter the postal code and enter the any phone number, then click on next. So guys, now the Apple ID is completed. Now you can install any free apps from the App Store without any error. So let me show you that. So guys, as you can see, that app is installing without popping any error. So hope you guys like this video. If you like this video guys, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.